Going to take you a walk through our plant. Right here in front of us we have our Selco saw, which will trim multiple pieces to the right size to move to our next area, which is the CNC machines. In the back there we have a grinder which takes all the waste wood, grinds it up and puts it into our recycling container outside. Here we have the first CNC. This one is a nesting CNC. It has two beds. You can work. One side will be cut and the other side will be set up and offloaded. Moving along, we have two large CNC machine centers. This is what trims, cuts, and puts dowel holes, everything like that into the pieces, shapes them. I have two identical machines here. Both machines are capable of actually doing the edge banding at the same time. However, we find that a little slow, so we prefer just to use them as machine centers. That's the second one here. Here is our baby CNC. This is our original unit. Obviously, we've expanded from that. Again, it's a machine center, and as you can see, it's quite busy. Now we move in. This is our edge banding for the straight edge. This is semi-automated, one-person operator. You load the pieces in on this end, it tracks down, and it has a return conveyor belt. And that is our backup edge bander in the corner over there. This is our baby CNC. This is what we use for doing custom cuts. So when you order something, you ask for a custom cutout, it's done on this little machine here. Next to it, this is an edge bander, which is capable of doing exterior radiuses. It's operated by laser, so it cuts precision tape, and obviously it goes on the edge of the board. Here we are walking through the warehouse portion. This is where we store inventory so that we can quickly assemble your orders. Some of it is for the ready-to-go line, so it's all here waiting. As you can see, there's multiple pieces. The packaged product here is waiting for Monday's truck. That will be out of here on Monday. To the rear here, we have paint booths, which now are used for putting glue on to feed components to the membrane presses. Again, more product, packaging. To the left here, you can see these are components that get added in with your orders. Could be cable cubbies, rack equipment, etc. And a lot of cardboard boxes. And now entering the shipping receiving area and the product packaging area. So goods are packaged here. This is all ready for Monday's trucks as well. Now we're moving into the clean side. This is virtually dust-free. This is because we have two massive machines here. Both are membrane presses. So this is what puts the finish onto the wood. Probably 90% of our product is done this way, and pretty soon maybe 100% of our product is done this way. This is our assembly area. This is where all your podiums and lecterns are built, and credenzas, and you name it. Now here is a brand new, this just got installed last week. This is a brand new membrane press, which is a lot more automated than the first one you saw. And the chutes actually lifts product off, brings it out, and shoots it out to our guys who do the detailing, cutting, and so on and so forth. But this is a brand new machine, just came in from Italy. course, it's all safety enclosed. On this unit, we'll hold 12 rolls of color, and the other one will also hold 12 rolls of color.